So let us try to do this sum. This is a sum on percentage from LOD 3, level of difficulty 3 of Arun Sharma, and this is for CAT and also applicable for NMAT, XAT, MAT and any other entrance exams of NBA. So in this sum it says the price of raw material has gone up by 15%. Labor cost has also increased from 25% of the cost of raw material to 30% of the cost of raw material. By how much percent should there be reduction in the usage of raw materials to keep the cost same? So here we see that the price of the raw material is a quantity to be kept in mind. The labor cost is another quantity to be kept in mind, and the usage of raw material is another quantity that needs to be kept in mind. So here in total we have three quantities, and what needs to be kept constant is the fourth quantity, which is the cost. So this particular information, that is the cost, needs to be kept same, is the uh, is the main information, key information that will help us in framing the equation. Now this sum can be done by XYZ format, right, with the help of x variable. Like I can say, let the price of the raw material be x, but if I do so, then my calculation will become big. So in order to simplify this sum, we can take 100. So let the price of raw materials be rupees 100 per piece. The reason why I took piece is that here we have to find out the usage of raw materials. That means how many raw materials should be used less so as to keep the cost same. So for that we have to take the price of the raw materials as in per piece, not in total. And so in that case, what is the labor cost? The labor cost is 25% of the cost of raw material, which is 100, that is rupees 25. Now what is the total cost in preparing per piece? So total cost in preparing per piece, it is rupees 125. Okay, so this is rupees 125 per piece. Okay, now number of pieces, initial number of pieces, I must say, initial number of pieces, let it be n1. So the total cost is 125 into n1. This is the total cost. Now the cost is increased, so final. So in the final case, the cost has increased by 15%, the price. So price of raw material has increased by 15%. That means it has become 115 per piece. Okay. What about the labor cost? The labor cost has gone up to 30% of the cost of raw material. So the new labor cost is 30% of 115. So if you reduce this, we will get 149.5. So what is the total cost per piece? The total cost per piece, sorry, this would be, this is 34.5, and the total cost per piece will be 149.5. Now let the final number of pieces be n2. Okay, so what is the total cost? The total cost is 149.5 n2. Now it is given that the prices, the total cost, that is this and this, both of them are same. So if that is the case, then all I need to do is just equate both of this, that is 125 n1 is equals to 149 N2. So that gives me 125 divided by is equals to N2. Okay. So if we solve this, if we simplify this, we are going to get 1 2. So if I just cut it with 5, we are going to get 250 N1 by 299. Now I just need to find out. So here we can see that N2 is less than N1. Why? Because I can see that the numerator is less than the denominator. So I need to find out what is the percentage reduction in usage of the raw materials, okay, so as to keep the cost constant. So that is going to be N1 minus N2 divided by N1 into 100. So N1 as it is, N2 is 250, N1 by 299 divided by N1 100. So that gives 49 N1 divided by 299 N1 into 100. So N1 gets cancelled out, and that gives me 16.8%. Okay, and if I go back to the options, then I can see that the best matching option is 17. So the answer will be option A, 17. Hope this clears this sum.